Hide and seek. Kunwari zombie ako. Lumalangoy na. Ay, mamaya! Wag, wow! 24, 25.
Ready or not, here I come!
Ay, nakita ko na din si Baby!
And again, gonna count! Di ba please yan eh, gonna count! Bakit ako na video?
Ground is about to explore and enjoy.
May coin kayo? Mami! Mami!
Yes, na!
Maliit ka eh.
How to fix up a heart that I let down.
Hello everybody! Good evening! Welcome to another vlog! As you've seen a while ago, I did go to the salon to get my hair cut, and I did get trim for my bangs, and I wanted a bigger trim than usual, so I got my bangs to reach here. Usually I get my bangs like this long and this long, but I wanted a change, and I don't know how to feel about it yet. It's really new. I did used to have bangs this short when I was in grade 10, and that was my ugliest self, physically, emotionally, mentally, you know. Looking back, I was so bad. I looked so bad. I was so ugly. For some reason, I went around school, not literally out around school, but I went around my batchmates asking them if my hair looked good, and all of them lied to me and said yes, because I know for a fact that I looked horrible that time. Anyways, the bangs are back. Hopefully they look better on me now since I don't look the same. I didn't get a trim for my hair, I just got my bangs trimmed. I also got my eyebrows dyed brown because I noticed that I look better with lighter brows than darker brows. That's why I don't color in my brows. I'm not used to it yet. I know I will get used to it eventually, but overall I like it. The reason why I went to the salon today is because I have a photo shoot tomorrow with Kasikas again for their anniversary collection again. So it's been a year since my first modeling thing. So I'm so happy and excited and honored. I'm not anxious anymore because I know everyone. I know the people who's gonna be there and they're friends now. I was so anxious the last time. You can watch it over here. I was so anxious the last time because I didn't know any of them, and it was my first time being in that type of situation, that type of environment. But I really enjoyed it, and I'm really excited to see them too because they're really fun people to be around with. I'm so excited. I'm just gonna pin my bags off for now. I'm gonna take you guys with me, of course. That's gonna be fun. I also went to the vet with my grandpa again a while ago because I've went there for the third time now for a week. Because the first time I went, I just bought Tilly because her breath stank so much, and so they checked her up, and it turns out she has halitosis, ear parasites, and fungus. So then the next visit I bought Oyi and Fino to get their ears checked as well because the ear parasites and fungus spread, and they turned out to have ear mites as well. And I also got Fino checked up more because he has a bladder problem. It turns out he has UTI right now, so it was a good idea to get them checked. And then a while ago, it was Tilly's like rechecking, and I bought Fish Nadine. And turns out Fish also has ear mites, but she's healthy overall. So yeah, they all have ear mites. The good news is Tilly's ear mites are gone, but I will still continuously put ointment on her ears, or eardrops. These are the eardrops for eardrops, specifically for each of them. There you have it, Fino, Tilly, Fish, and Oyi. I mean, this is cute, but the fact that they have ear mites is not. That's why we went to the vet. I have to go take a shower, or should I prepare the things that I have to bring tomorrow first? I have to be there by 9:30, and I want to sleep early so that I'll have the energy. So maybe I'll sleep by 10:30. And I also have a lot of schoolwork to do, but I don't want to do them because it's also my second day of period, and I'm feeling so indifferent and so lazy. I just want to lie down right now because the day tired me. It was so hot outside, and I'm easily tired when I'm on my period. I just really want to sleep. I just want to lie down and watch Outlander. Have you guys watched Outlander or read Outlander? If you haven't, you should. Still not used to my hair. Oh, I just have some stuff that I want to share with you guys. Last night I was bored, and I was indifferent because of my first day of the period, so I didn't know what to do. I didn't want to scroll on Instagram, I didn't want to go on social media, I didn't want to watch Outlander, even if I'm so addicted to it right now. I was just plain bored, and I figured I should do a project that I've been putting off, and it's this one. This is the Claire's vitamin C drops packaging. I didn't throw it away because it's sentimental to me, because it's my first like partnership with a brand with Claire's. So I did throw it out, and I decided to recycle it and make it into a propagating station for my plant. And it looks like this. So I took this off and took like the plastic inside off because it has like a plastic thing. Now we have this cute guy. And then I also made this. It's an Elizabeth Arden perfume bottle and I took off, well, it looks like this. I took this off and this off, which took a lot of time because it's metal, so I just kept on like prying it off with my scissors, and it did work. And now I have this. I love it so much. And I made this a while back, but this is my sister's old like perfume bottle, and she gave it to me because she knew I would like it, and now it's propagating some syngonium, I think. Are you? I forgot. But now they're all placed up here. I'll show you guys. So this is my vanity. This is how it's looking like right now. I love it so much. I also made this actually, but wait, let's focus on this first. They're all on top of my jewelry box. With this one, this little guy, they look nice here because they're all cosmetic products turned into propagating stations. And I love it. So yeah, that's an idea if you like plants and have empty makeup bottles or perfume bottles. You can definitely do that and it's gonna look really cute and nice and dainty. Anyway, speaking of this one, I had this begonia propagating for a while now. It wasn't thriving obviously, so I decided to transfer it into this ceramic cup that I used for flowers. You can watch it here. There's just sphagnum moss inside, not soil, because there's no drainage. Oh, and since I have new creations, I'm going to post it on my new Instagram account that I made for specifically for plants and like photos that I take that's not really about me on this Instagram account, Fairy Memoirs. I will be posting this soon, so you can go and follow me on that Instagram account if you are interested in plants, aesthetic stuff. I will be posting more about plants and aesthetic stuff in that account. My priority right now is to sleep early, so I will do everything that I can before 10:30, and then I should be lying down by 10:30. I can't watch Outlander one other night. I can't watch it one other night. Do you know how... Wait. If I am obsessed with something, you'll know when you look at my phone and my laptop, because the first thing you see on my phone is Jamie and Claire from Outlander, and then the first thing you see on my laptop as well is Jamie and Claire from Outlander. I'm so in love with them. They're oh god, oh god, oh god. Anyway, yeah, I really am not used to my bangs yet, so I'm sorry if I look funny. I'm not worried though. Like, hair's gonna grow. It's something you can change all the time. It's a gift to have your hair growing all the time, so change it as much as you can. It's a fun thing. Should I read the book? Nah, I'm a hairy girl. Actually, I'm a Nile stan, but shut up. And one thing that I've been enjoying lately is listening to something Celtic music to sleep in the morning. Every time I'm not listening to anything, I'm like, Alexa, play Celtic music.
Celtic music from Spotify.
And I carry on with my life like this.
J'ai pas fait semblant, je te jure. J'ai jamais dit non. J'ai pas fait semblant, je te jure. J'ai jamais dit non. J'ai juste laissé le temps courir, partir, venir, mourir, courir, partir, venir et mourir. Écoute chérie, j'ai pas eu le temps. Écoute chérie, je t'ai dit non. Écoute chérie, j'ai pas eu le temps.
We are here in Kasikas.
Yeah, welcome. Let's take a tour.
These are the models. These are the yayas.
Pakilina ng mga carpet. Hi, mga creative director. Oh, ang papangit ng mga behind the scenes. Sila ang magaganda. Oh.